Here we have two levels. We have the category, and in each category we have different subcategories. We can make a column chart, but it does not come out properly. If you change it to a stack chart, even now you notice it does not appear properly, since there are two levels in our data. If you change it to a bar chart, again, does not appear properly. The option here is to convert it into a tree map or a sunburst. The tree map appears like this, which means that each color is presenting one category and each of these blocks inside it is presenting one subcategory. Let me go to chart element and add the data labels like this. If you want to add the numbers as well, you can go to chart element, data label, and select more data label options. And here you can select the value as well. So now both the number and the name of the category and the subcategory can be seen. This looks great. And this is dynamic, which means that if you change it to a different dimension, the blocks also change automatically. Do remember that in Excel, there is a limit to 2 levels. You can't show more than 2 levels. Even though in other tools like Tableau and Power BI, you can have multiple levels. You can also change it to a sunburst, which is a little bit like a pie chart, but there are different levels to this chart. For example, you can see here that this is the office supply, and in office supplies we have all the different types of office supplies. The sunburst can accommodate more than 2 levels, even though you have to be very careful while you're doing that. Because when you keep too many levels, the numbers might be a little difficult to read. But if you do a Google search, you will see that both the tree map, like this, and the sunburst are very common visualizations, and a lot of companies use them.